collecting and storing the rainwater is called rainwater harvesting. First, we have to fix a tank on the top of our house. When the water drop down from the cloud, the tank flows it through a pipe into the filter. Filtration is very important as dust particles may be mixed in the rainwater while the rain was dropping from the cloud. Now the filter sends the water through a pipe into the storage. The storage water is very important for many other purposes. So rainwater conservation is very important. The remaining water which falls on the roof also can be saved by a pipe which is extracted in the ground. By extracting this pipe in the ground can be used as when the scarcity of water takes place, the groundwater helps us in getting water. So this was the two methods of rainwater harvesting.
System has been made compulsory. In Tamil Nadu is the first state in India to make rainwater harvesting system mandatory. The storage rainwater can be used for agriculture process. Rain and snowfall are two sources. The fresh from the clouds, the water falls drop by drop through the pipes into the filtration. Filtration is very important to avoid dust particles. Then in filtration, the water falls through the pipes into the storage. This storage water is more useful for us for planting and irrigation. There are two types of method to store the water. Now she will explain about this.
There are two methods to collect rainwater. They are surface runoff harvesting, groundwater recharge. Surface runoff harvesting. The rainwater flows away as surface runoff and can be stored for future use. Groundwater recharge. It is a hydrologic process where water moves downward from surface water to groundwater.